Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. So I've been out running errands all day, kind of waited for the house to quiet down so I can hop on and share this haul with you guys. I'm going to start out with three things that I think would make great farmhouse decor, and they're just a good buy from the Dollar Tree. The rest of it is a total mishmash of random items, and I think they're all good deals. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with these, and there's actually two of them, and they're just little tin metal containers, and I think that they would make some really cute decor. You could use them inside, or you could use them in the garden if you put some kind of liner in it. Now they're really tall. They're probably about 12 inches. This one's got kind of a geometric look to it. And then this one's more almost like a mermaid tail, scales on it. This would be really cute painted gold. Of course, you guys know I've been painting everything gold for my daughter's room, and that reveal will be coming this week. But I did find these, and I'm going to share them with you guys. And then this also, I think, first of all, I saw it. It was in the kitchen area with the utensils and all that stuff. And it's just by Cooking Concepts. That's the Dollar Tree brand. And I thought, oh, we're already starting to eat a lot of strawberries and fresh fruit with summer here. This would be nice to have on hand. And then I thought, farmhouse decor. Pick up some faux eggs like I have behind me in my hutch, and how cute would that be for a little kitchen farmhouse decor. It's just like a little miniature strainer. It's probably only about maybe 5 inches, but another good little find there. I picked this up for a friend who's doing a mermaid themed birthday party. This is over in their luau summer decor stuff, and I'd seen it, and so I sent her a picture and said, hey, look what I found. So I picked that up for her. It's almost shaped like a surfboard, but just not exactly, I don't think. And then it's just got some glitter on it. That'd be cute for a girl's room or a party or bathroom. I am finding more of the Star salted roasted salted peanuts, and I'm picking them up because it's a good deal. We've been having these on hand and enjoying them on ice cream. They're really, really good. I'm not admitting to anything. As I told you, it's total mishmash. I couldn't even categorize this if I tried this haul. I did pick up a tube of the Elmer's wood filler. Now they had two versions of this at my store. The natural version, and then this one that says it is stainable. So I'll put this in with all of my DIY stuff. I have at least 3 in mind. As soon as this week is over, we've got a lot of end of the year school things, and then I'll have some time to do some DIYs. But if I have little holes to fill or something like that, I thought that would be good to have on hand. All right, I needed some bags, and I normally get them at Walmart, and I'll get the Equate brand. But I was at Dollar Tree, so I picked up the Good Sense gallon size bags. Now you get 14 in here, and they're definitely, we used one, and so I thought since it's open, I'll show you guys. It's not exactly the same texture as like a Glad bag or one of the bags you get from Walmart, but it worked. So I like to just marinate our chicken and stuff in here and then throw them away. It's just a regular push seal, and it worked. It was good enough. I don't know if I'll always buy them like this. I usually get a really big pack at Walmart. That's a pretty good deal. I was out of a little notepad that I've had from Dollar Tree for a while. It had the mason jar on it, and I got it last year, so I just picked up another one. I thought this one was really pretty. I don't like anything too crazy busy, since I do look at my fridge a lot during the day, in and out of the kitchen. All right, let me share these. My son is chomping at the bit to get them. When Dollar Tree put out all their fun socks, we picked up a bunch. They had pretzels and pizza and all kinds of fun prints, but we did not have the pineapples. So we found this today and we're super excited. So we picked it up, and then they had out the astronauts and rockets, but it was like in a blue with orange. But this one we really liked. So it's just black and white. It's got the little red soles. And we picked that up because we do have a sock lover in our house. Now, these have been out before at Dollar Tree, and they're just a good little buy. They're putting them out again. They are the electric toothbrushes in soft, and they come with the battery. We've gotten these before. They don't last forever, but we rotate our toothbrushes quick enough, and I have a child that will love this. And anything I can do to motivate them to brush their teeth well, I will do. Now, I found some of the Glade vent clips in the cleaning aisle. I was gonna say the home cleaning aisle, but it's just the cleaning aisle with bleach and all the cleaning products, and they were actually hanging on a strip. So if you're looking for some of these, you may want to try there. This is Hawaiian Breeze. Let's open it up and see. Oh, it's nice. It is really nice. So we'll go ahead and put these to good use. All right. If you like coconut, don't buy these, because you'll buy them again, because you'll eat them and want more and go back and buy them again. These are super good. They're considered macaroons, but they're candied. They're amazing. They're 5 ounces. I may or may not have eaten a whole bag at one time, but I'm gonna just tell you now, if you love coconut, don't pick these up. But if you must, they're on the snack aisle by the nuts and opposite of the chips, and they were on the bottom shelf in a box. So these are amazing. They're so good. Very sweet. You can only have a few and then you're done, which is the whole bag. Another sweet treat I picked up, this was up by my registers, and I've seen these in the traditional colors, but this is the sour version, so it's all those fun pastel colors, and that's a really good buy for an 8 count of the Carnival Pops, so I picked that up. I have used this to death. So I did a video, a tag video, with the Lemonade Mom called Shop Your Home Dollar Tree, and this is one of the things I shared, and I realized I needed another one. I've used mine for well over a year. It's just a Wet n Wild contour brush. It's very, very soft. I'm so glad they're still carrying them. I just put blush on. I don't contour and highlight and bronze. I'm not fancy like that. I put on blush, and this is the brush I like to use to do that with, and it's just a little Wet n Wild brush. So I got a replacement. Now, end of the year festivities, teachers' gifts, all of that, I needed some red shred, and I've been working on a bag of blue shred that I put in little gifts that I put together throughout the year for a year, and I finally finished it. So I decided to get red this time. And when I was over there, I saw some really cute new bags. Okay, good. They're all here. I was thinking, uh-oh, I forgot one. So first off, I love these. They're little sets of 2 gift bags. Now this one actually has glitter on it, and then it comes with the stripe. I love the stripe. I think it's so cute. You could use these for anything. You could use them, the stripe one, for Father's Day. And I like to have things like this on hand for when we do have a birthday or a party to go to, and then we can just worry about the gift and know that we have plenty of wrapping on hand. And then they have this one, which is the birthday cake and the polka dot, and I think that is super duper cute. If they actually sold packs of 2 of these, I would be all over it because they're just so neutral. It could be for anything. So I picked 2 of those up, and then I don't know, they forgot to put these out at Mother's Day, but they had 4 different versions of this bag, and they all had different color tops. So this one's green, and it's just a really pretty blue bag with some floral, nice good size on the bottom. So I picked that one up to have in my stash. And this one, I couldn't resist it. I thought it was really cute with the little glitter on the candles. So I picked this one up too. Here's something that I like to find at the Dollar Tree. I think it's a good buy. It's their tarps. Now we have a tree we had to take down, and part of, after you get it taken down professionally, just making sure that the stump is dead, is covering it up and drilling into it and all that stuff. My husband's in charge, and he needed some tarps, so I picked him up a couple. Now this one I'll probably use for a drop cloth for painting, and I mean, I just think that's a really good deal. It's not massive. It's a 4 by 6 foot, and it'll do the job. It'll do the job if it's not something you're looking for long-term use. And so he's got one he just put out on our stump to help finish killing it off. Now I only found one of these. I found it in blue and I found it in red, and there was only one of each. But they are the placemats. They're a really nice, heavy woven plastic. So I picked up the red because I figured for 4th of July and patriotic, when I do my decor, I'll probably use this in the center of my kitchen table. I wish they had more. I would have picked up more. That quality is just like the ones I've gotten at Bed Bath & Beyond for my home, for our table, and they were like $3 or $4 each. It's a nice heavy plastic. Now with the shop with me I just shared yesterday, I showed you guys all the new dishes they're putting out, the green, blue, and black. So I was at a different Dollar Tree today, and they're putting out matching little serving trays. I showed you guys the bowls and the cups. Now they've got out the plates and coordinating dish towels and hot pads. Not really the oven mitts, but just the square hot pads. So keep an eye out for those. I just wanted to tell you in case you were interested. Everyone and their brother has hauled this, but I thought I would share it with you guys. So my Dollar Tree had Lucky Charms, and they had it in the cinnamon version for like winter, and then they had it in this one, which was obviously out for St. Patty's Day, and they had bunches of these right next to the smaller size. So this one is a pound, wow, and 4.5 ounces. So it's a 20.5 ounce box, really big. And at first I was a little leery, thinking it would be some interesting flavor, but it's not. It's just that it was out for St. Patty's Day, so all the marshmallows are little shamrocks. That's it. So I got 8 boxes of it because This is going to be a great little thing to have on hand for weekend breakfast. The expiration date isn't until November 25th, so I grabbed a bunch of it. Let me just do a quick pan. All right, I think I remembered to share everything with you guys. Stay tuned this week. I will be bringing you my daughter's bedroom reveal. We have like 2 little things to do, and then I can record that for you guys. And a couple of DIYs because summer's almost here and things should slow down just a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon in the next one.